The Repeat Returns Marketing Manager web app puts everything you need at your fingertips 24/7, and it's easy to install on your phone. This is the newest progressive web app technology, so it's browser-based and works on any mobile device. Here's how to put it on your iPhone. Simply go to repeatreturns.com on your mobile device, go to Login, enter your login credentials. Click the Login button and your Marketing Manager loads. You should see an invitation to add the Marketing Manager to your home screen. Just tap that and click the Add to Home Screen icon. Then verify by clicking Add. You're done. A quick tap on the Repeat Returns icon is all it takes to launch your Marketing Manager and see real-time activity, or visit the dashboard to view key performance indicators, marketing calendar, customers, and more.